Okay, well, hi there. This is just a little demo video for you to see the Axe-Fx 3. This is my Axe-Fx 3 that I have for sale. This is the first generation. It's not the Mark II. It's the first generation that originally came out when the Axe-Fx 3 was introduced back in, I don't really remember, 2019 maybe. Here we go, but let's take it up. It's just sitting here off right now. You can also see that my FC12, which is plugged in. So here we go. Boom, we're going to power this up. And we just let it. Now, as you're watching this power up, you can watch it power up again and turn off the volume if you don't want to hear this. But this is a demo of the Axe-Fx 3. I'm demoing it to show you that everything works. I'll show you a few patches. I have got a bunch of presets in there. A couple preset packs, some individual ones. I am not selling it with the preset packs. I mean, you're going to get it with everything on it. But what is for sale is the Axe-Fx 3 and the FC12 and some cables that go with it that you see in the picture. You see this little screen popped up? I haven't had this on for a while. There is an update. If you want to run that update when you get it, you can get that. So you can see that I have an acoustic patch up there. So again, what is for sale is the Axe-Fx and the FC12. If you are looking at, gee, I'm going to base the sale on his custom presets, you know, that's really not the value in the product. Anyway, you're going to notice a couple things when I'm playing. I'm going to be adjusting the volumes. This was all set up for my setup. You're going to want to get in there and mess around in it. So this is my main. I mainly play acoustic. Okay, so we see that everything works. Let me kick over here. That preset is actually one that's free on the Fractal website. I got a few little goofy things in here, like the resonator guitar. And a bass sim. This is how we bank up. Bank up. Get out from this cord. Okay. And then here are just some of the, give you a little bit more volume here. Here are some of just the Fractal patches. So you see it, I mean, some of the volume will have to be those patches are what came right from Fractal. I do have a line of some Pink Floyd patches in here, which came from the band Brit Floyd. Okay, and besides hearing it, you can see on the Axe-Fx unit itself that it is switching everything. Now, some of the patches do have, on the FC12, you just rock here, and it brings you over to this screen here, where you have your presets. You can look at your different scenes, and then you can go back and look at the effects bank, what is on, what is off. And if you're familiar at all with the Fractal, you can do a lot of different things. Of course, I'm just demoing this right now. Back to presets, but now just so you know, that's like Les Paul top pickup. There's a bridge pickup if that helps you at all. So there you go. Okay, everything works on it. The thing is in really good shape. I think it left my studio since 2019 maybe 10 times. And if you're wondering why, it's because I had an FM3 for a long time that I took out on gigs, and I'm currently selling this because I have an FM9, and the FM9 is the only thing that I use right now. It is nice to have a backup. I'm selling this, and I am going to get a backup FM9 because the 9 is all that I need and more. So anyway, you see that everything works. Feel free to shoot me some questions if you want to know anything more. But there's the demo of the Axe-Fx. Everything functions on it, and I hope you're interested. So for now, we out.